Hello, and welcome to this episode of the Stock in Profit podcast. Today, I'm going to be speaking on the importance of a Forex trading mentor and why having a Forex trading mentor becomes, essential on your path to success as a trader. Now, Forex trading, of course, as you know, means Forex exchange, and basically there are a lot of opportunities for seekers, right? For those who are interested in learning and actually putting in the work. There are a lot of opportunities out there. Now, navigating, the Forex market can really be complex, and it's really a daunting task for beginners, to say the least. And this is where, a Forex trading mentor can make all of the difference for you. Now, today I will try to sort of explore the reasons why having a mentor is essential to your growth, to your progress, and of course, to your profitability in the long term. And if you're someone, of course, who is passionate, you've seen the people successful, you've seen people do it, I want to tell you, you also can do the same thing, but you need guidance, you need education first, and then you also need proper mentorship for you to really become a success. Of course, you can also do it by yourself. By no means do I mean you can't really succeed as a trader doing it yourself. You can succeed by yourself, but doing it with a trading mentor, with someone you can look up to, you can ask questions, you can sort of clarify all the gray areas, someone who can really just help you to avoid the mistakes, so it just makes it a lot easier. Okay, so the first thing and why a mentor is really important, because it helps you to learn from experience, right? One of the most compelling reasons to have a trading mentor is to learn from someone with a wealth of experience. Seasoned traders have likely faced, wide variety and wide range of market conditions and challenges, and they can share their insights, strategies, and risk management techniques that have proven successful over time. Now, learning from a mentor's real-world experience can significantly expedite your learning curve and help you avoid common pitfalls. Right, that's the reality. So there are going to be pitfalls. There are going to be, the learning curve is usually it's steep. On the serious note, if you ask any successful trader how long it took them to be successful, you would hardly hear people tell you 1 year, 2 years, if they're going to be very sincere with you. The average you're going to hear is maybe 3, 4, 5 years. Right, to find consistency. I don't mean making a profit and then that is it, just you make it once. I mean consistent profit, month after month you're profitable. It takes time, and that's because beyond the technical analysis, there's a psychology of trading that you have to overcome, and that really can differ for a lot of people. Right now, another reason why you need a trading mentor is guided education. Now, while there is an abundance of educational resources available online, you go to YouTube, you're going to see a lot of teachers, a lot of learning, but the sheer volume of information can really be overwhelming sometimes, and you can be hopping from one strategy to another. Now, a mentor can act as a guide, simply just steering you in the right direction and providing tailored advice that aligns with your goals and your trading style. Now, a mentor can also help you to focus, on the most relevant and effective learning materials and strategies. Now, ensuring that you make the best use of your time and resources, and that is what you want at the end of the day, right? You don't just want to be gallivanting around the place trying to look for different strategy. Today you're trading the strategy, tomorrow you're trading another strategy, tomorrow you see somebody say, oh, you're profitable with this strategy, and you've hopped on it. You're literally just all over the place and you're going nowhere. A mentor will help you with guided education. Now, another thing also a mentor is going to help you with is emotional support, right? Now, Forex trading can be highly emotional, right? It can be a highly emotional endeavor. When you have real money, I don't mean when you're trading demo trade. You're demo trading. Usually people succeed most of the time when they're demo trading because it's not real money. So your emotions, the emotions is not really invested, right, in the trade. But by the time you have real money, either you're trading your money or you're trading prop firm, whichever one, the emotional aspects of trading would then kick in. The psychology and everything, we talk about psychology and all of that will now kick in, right? So it's really, an emotional endeavor, and especially when, things don't really go as planned, right? Because you have all of these goals, you have all of these expectations, you have all of these phenomenal things you've actually laid out. But most of the time, it may not necessarily go as planned. It may just be some sort of zigzag, movement before you arrive at your goal. So you need that sort of emotional support right, to really just help you and cut short all of the mistakes and all of the pitfalls. Now, a mentor can offer emotional support and help you to develop the necessary discipline and also mindset that's required for success. Now, they can also teach you, right, how to manage stress, control impulsive decisions, and stay on track during challenging times. Now, personalized feedback is also another reason why you need that. You need a mentor. Now, one of the significant advantages of having a forex trading mentor is the ability to receive personalized feedback on your trading activities. Now, mentors can analyze your trades, they can identify your weaknesses and your strengths, and provide constructive feedback to help you improve, which is the goal. Every day you get on the chart, you want to see that you improve and you better understand how to identify structure and how to identify your setup and all of that. So now this type of guidance, it's completely invaluable, right? And it would help to refine your strategy, your trading strategy, and help you quickly meet consistent results in your trading. Now, another reason why you need a trading mentor is risk management. Now, managing risk is a fundamental aspect of successful forex trading. Right? A mentor can teach you how to assess and manage risk effectively, helping you to protect your capital and avoid catastrophic losses. Imagine you don't know how to manage risk, and then you take the first trade, you risk 20%, the next one you risk another 20%, and before you know 100% is gone, and you're literally biting your tongue or biting your teeth and all of that. So mentors will help you to be able to shape your risk management if you're trading personal capital or if you're trading a prop firm. Mentors will help you to shape your risk management. And then another reason is accountability, right? You need to be accountable, because if having a mentor helps you with accountability, of course, if you're a disciplined person, you can actually be accountable to yourself. If you have a trading journal, you always make sure you take you record your trades, why you took the trade, and all of the psychology surrounding the trade. If you're a disciplined person, you can actually do this right on your own, but having a mentor would also help with your accountability. Now, because just knowing that someone is monitoring your progress can motivate you to really just stay committed to your trading goals and your plan. So you're not deviating from it, you're sticking to it, because somebody's going to ask you, somebody's going to check up on you if you're actually disciplined, or you're just basically just all over the place and not really following the plan. And yeah, so that's that. So another reason also you need a trading mentor is networking opportunities, right? Mentors often have extensive networks within the forex trading community, and being mentored by someone in the industry can open doors, networking opportunities, connecting you with like-minded individuals, potential collaborators, and also providing market insights, that may not necessarily be available, accessible, to solo traders. And then the next reason why you also need a trading mentor is building confidence. Now, confidence is key, right, in trading. A mentor can help you build that confidence, your abilities, so you can stop second guessing yourself. Excuse me. So you stop second guessing yourself, because a lot of times people second guess themselves, right? Especially when you start off and all of that, you second guess yourself. Should I take the trade? Should I not take the trade? You're not focusing on the process. You're not focusing out. You're focusing on maybe the monetary value of what you're risking, but you should focus on the process, right? So a mentor would help you to make it easier for you to execute your trading plan without hesitation, and just get to that level where you're able to put the knowledge you're able to put the knowledge you've acquired over time to use, right, and to test in the market. So a mentor can literally just help you with all of this. Now, we've gone through all the different things that mentors can help you with. Now, in conclusion, right, I want to say this: in the world of forex trading, having a mentor can make a substantial difference in your journey to success. Now, the mentor's experience, guidance, emotional support, and personalized feedback and focus on risk management can significantly increase your chances of achieving consistent profitability in this complex and dynamic market. Now, never underestimate the value of having a trusted mentor by your side, as you can. It would help you to navigate the world of forex trading seamlessly and with a lot more it will basically just cut down the stress, and also cut down the losses you will accrue if you're to do it by yourself. Okay, now having a mentor also can really just be a defining factor that sets you on the path to become a successful forex trader. A lot of people get discouraged after 1 year maybe they're learning their own, binging on all the YouTube videos they find, all the videos they find online, and then they try and they know what you're looking for, but then there's no consistency, you're just all over the place, and then they give up. But if you have a mentor that is actually trusted and can really guide you, can really instruct you, can really check up on you, you can be accountable to, you simply will just cut short all the unnecessary stress that you go through. And that is why the Stocking Profit mentorship program is designed and tailored to meet your need. If you're someone who really need that sort of mentorship that can really a 360 trading education, essentially, the course, the mentorship, the community, and everything that can really just help you to go from zero to hero. So hey, I believe this has been beneficial to you, and I look forward to sharing more with you in the next episode. Stay stuck in profit, and bye bye. Cheers.